Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with an unboxing video. I was contacted by a company called BeeBeeCraft, and they wanted me to pick out some items to show you guys as well as create some DIYs with. So I received the package and now I'm about to unbox everything. And then what I want to do is let you guys decide on what you want to see me do first with these products. But we're going to go ahead and, like I said, unbox first. It all came packaged nicely in this little postal bag here and packaged in bubble wrap. So it came pretty quickly. I'll have all the information and the links to the website below and the products that I received as well. So if you want to see what's in all of this, stay tuned. Okay, everybody, let me show you what came in our package. The first thing I got were these sticky back velvet sheets. I got black and this pretty cranberry red. When I saw these on the site, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with them. I was thinking about some Christmas DIYs with this cranberry color, and then with my jewelry making, I had some ideas for the black. It's really nice and soft and just smooth, and again, it has a sticky back on the back, so you can adhere this to whatever you choose to. And this will be great for like paper crafting when it comes to your die cutting machines, your Cricuts, your Silhouettes, you know, all types of, you know, die cutting machines or whatever. But again, I had some Christmas DIYs in mind for this color, and I can probably, you know, use it year round, not just for Christmas, but really wanted to try these out. So I got these, and in the pack you get a bunch. I'm not sure how many it was. I can't remember, but as you can see, you get a lot of sheets in there, in both of them. So looking forward to playing with these. And then I also ordered these blank bookmarks or page keepers. I had something in mind for these for my planner, as a matter of fact. But as you can see, they're blanks, and right here you can add whatever decor designs you want. You can use like pretty scrapbooking paper, or maybe a picture, or some glitter, or some gems, whatever you want to use. And you can also, like I said, maybe put some paper in here and then top it with these pretty cabochons that come with this. And we will be getting into this because I plan on doing some projects with these things, like I said before. And so as you can see, whatever you put inside your blank here will be magnified by the little cabochon. I'm hoping you can see that. The glare from the light maybe, there we go, blinding you, but yeah, you can put that on top, and it sort of magnifies whatever it, you know, you put in there. Or you could, you know, create something with some polymer clay or whatever. You can just be as creative as you want. But I had something in mind for my planners for next year, so that's why I got these, and I'm looking forward to playing around with these. And these also were available in other finishes, not just the gold. So like I said, I'm going to put a link below to all of this stuff, so if you're interested in any of it, you can check it out. Okay, this is what I'm excited about. This is a kit, and speaking of polymer clay, this is what this is. This is a nice kit that includes all the tools you'll need in working with polymer clay, and you can create all kinds of charms and creations with the polymer clay. You get in this, I got some of these rubber brushes or rubber tools, and we'll get into this a little bit later. I'm just doing an unboxing right now. And then you get all kinds of little cutting tools and texturizing tools in here, and these are all plastic. And then you get these little stylus. These create like texture and lines and details and things like that on your polymer clay. If you were like making flowers or leaves or whatever your creations may be, these help with that. And then you also get these tools right here, which is sort of like little, oh gosh, I can't, like little trowel tools, if you will, where you can like scoop out and create wells and things like that in your polymer clay. I mean, anything that you can think of to create with polymer clay, these tools would be great for that. And again, here is another set of modeling tools. These are the modeling ball tools, and they're metal. They're very heavy, and this is for like pressing out petals and things like that if you were to make flowers or something like that. So yeah, and then you also got with this are some little charm holders and trinket little holders, if you will. I got these cute little bells, little mini bells that you can actually attach to the ends of these little charm holders or whatever. You also got, and what did I do? Oh, here they are. I thought they were in here. You got these little head pins that you would stick inside your little polymer clay charm as a holder or a, you know, something to attach your charm to. So you got those, the little head pins right there. Hopefully, let's see, you can see that. But again, we'll get into this a little bit later when I start crafting with these items. So you get everything you need to create little keychains and charms and things like that. Here are some keychains that you can use for like purse charms, planner charms, or whatever. It comes with the chain that you can attach, you know, charms to here with jump rings and so forth. And then these little charms or charm holders have the little lobster claw on the end, and you can attach it to the heads of the head pins that I had right here and create all kinds of little things. So super excited about that. And in this box is the polymer clay. So of course you get your directions on how to use it. You get some more tools in here. These are more mini tools that you can, you know, texturize and create all kinds of designs on your polymer clay with these. And then you get a variety of clay colors. And I am so excited to play with this clay, y'all. You just don't know. So what I want to do is let you guys decide on what you want to see first. If you want me to create something with the polymer clay set here, or if you want to see the bookmark or page markers here, you want me to create something with that first, just let me know down below. If you have any ideas, feel free to leave those down below as well. And whatever you guys decide, that's what we're going to do first with these items. Again, I'm going to leave the link to BeeBeeCraft down below, as well as the link to these items that I picked up. And yeah, let me know down below, y'all, so that I could get started and bring them to you. So maybe you can create these and order some of this stuff before the holiday if you want. Totally excited about this. I'm really glad that they reached out to me to review their products. So looking forward to doing it. And I guess it's gonna do it for this video right now. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye guys.